Alright, here is a Monte Carlo mini ceiling fan, or Mini 22, whatever you want to call these. They're certainly not called Lunars though, because I've seen one new in box on eBay. So yeah, I'll put a link to that in the description. Anyway, this fan is from November of 2005. I got this off of eBay. No, not eBay. OfferUp again, along with another one in brushed nickel. Uh, the person that I got these from was also selling three Hampton Bay San Marinos, but I don't really care for those, even though I do like most Hampton Bay models. Um, this is actually a childhood fan for me because my friend, no, not my friend, my brother's friend had one of these installed in his room, and he had three other fans in his house, which were a Casablanca Lady Delta, a Hunter Grand Lodge, and either a Hampton Bay St. Clair or a Casablanca Victorian. I'll say St. Clair. And these are also pretty rare fans because there's not many videos on these. Um, but I think the brush nickel ones are like more rare than the white ones. Um, Unfortunately, I won't be demonstrating the light because the light bulb does not work. If you don't know what the light bulb is, it's basically like a little halogen bulb, and we don't have any halogen bulbs lying around, so we'll probably get some halogen bulbs, but not anytime soon because of the whole COVID-19 stuff going around or going on. Yeah, before I demonstrate the fan, I'll give some shots of it. Alright, now I'm going to demonstrate the fan. Here's low. And what I forgot to mention is that this and the brush knuckle ones are, I'd say, probably the smallest fans in my collection. The second smallest, or technically the third and fourth smallest, are the Hampton Bay Mataris. This fan's 22 inch, hence why it has 22 in its name. Alright, here's medium. It puts off a lot of air, but that's because it's like an extremely small fan. Oh, and another thing I forgot to mention is that the down rod is not original. That's from the Huntington 2. And the pull chains aren't original either. They came off of my Harbor Breeze Breezeway. This fan did come with the original Monte Carlo pull chain, but it only had one, so I decided to add these on. Alright, now last but not least, high. It's a very powerful little fan, but like I said, that's because it's little. Alright, now I'm going to turn it off. And there you have it. That is my Monte Carlo Mini 22 ceiling fan. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.